I'm Nikki, and this is NixPix. So I just got over to Magic Kingdom. I've been watching the rain radar all day, and it was supposed to be completely red, orange, horrendous weather. And literally, I'm all decked out. I got my Columbia pants on, I got my Eddie Bauer jacket, I'm ready to go. Thought I'd get some great footage. Got just my GoPro, nothing else. And when I checked the radar, it looked like it's gonna scoot right down underneath us. Every time I try to get some stormy weather, I don't seem to be able to get a chance to. So we're gonna see what the crowd levels are like, because it looks like a lot of people are leaving thinking that the storm is still coming. Maybe I'll be able to get on some rides. Let's see what happens. To Haunted Mansion, and the wait is now 60 minutes. It might have something to do with the fact that they opened the stretching room. I was hoping to get on and get to see that, but yeah, not this time. Maybe later. The rains have subsided and everybody is out and about. The fun is over.
Strike your colors, you bloomin' cockroaches! Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or by thunder we'll burn the city to the ground!
Don't tell him, Carlos! Don't be cheeky!
I am not chicken. I will not talk.
I'm no longer aloft!
Everyone in England.
Put your foot in his mouth. The gentleman wants the round. Don't you, boy?
Ah, you scurvy scoundrels. Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10.
10? I'll give you 20 for the wrong.
Heck down, you even Keep still. I'm studying the map. Oh, it's the treasure map for sure, and no mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never
Have a little carousel.
Some mystery that might be turned to this steam, eh? Rolling and embezzling, even hijacking up me on zero. Hijack. My feathery friend, you could be behind the second.
So we just got off of Pirates of the Caribbean. That was a lot of fun, and now it's a 25-minute wait. So we got in just in time. Walked right on. fun in the rain. Now it's time to go. We'll see you real soon. Thank you. Please make sure to hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, don't forget to leave a comment, visit my t-shirt shop and my social media links, and we'll see you real soon.